Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Krystal Starseed. If hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa channel ko, don't forget to click the subscribe and notification buttons para mas updated ka sa pickacard uploads. So, ang topic po natin today ay overview or forecast na magiging kapalaran nyo this 2021 in terms of career, money, love life, or life in general. I-mention ko din po yung months na may possible important happenings para sa inyo. Mas okay din guys na sundin nyo ang steps sa pagpili ng pile para mas mapaharamdaman nyo talaga kung alin ang para sa inyo. Reminder din guys, the reading is based on your current energies. If may hindi kayo nagustuhan about sa prediction ay may free will tayo and tayo pa rin na magde-decide ng direction na gusto nating tahakin in the future. Move on na tayo guys sa ating piles. Bago kayo bumili ay isipin nyo muna ang topic. Tapos huminga kayo ng malalim ng 3 beses para ma-relax kayo. Concentrate, use your intuition sa pagpili from pile 1, Green Aventurine, pile 2, Labradorite, pile 3, Opalite, pile 4, Aquamarine, and pile 5, Amethyst. Pagharamdaman nyo guys ang piles, huwag nyo masyadong pag-isipan. Pag nakapili na kayo ay pwede na kayo mag-proceed sa description box para sa timestamps ng inyong reading. So, let's start. Para po sa mga pumili ng pile 1 or Green Aventurine, ito ang inyong reading. I sense earth signs and fire signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius energies from this pile. So I see several messages po for this pile. I see na ang focus ng inyong 2021 ay more on career because of this card nourishment or abundance and financial stability. So this cards po, creation and birthing creations, tapestry of life and expression. So I see na kayo ay creative and maaaring i-pursue nyo ang inyong creative passions this 2021 if hindi pa kayo nagpo-pursue ng inyong passion. So this card po, yes, the timing is right for this new venture. A happy outcome follows your positive expectations. So yun po, I see na magfo-focus kayo sa inyong career or sa inyong passions and ipapractice nyo ang inyong passions this year of 2021 na hindi nyo nagawa before. I see din po na kayo ay mas magiging successful this 2021 or mas magiging madali for you ang mag-earn or mag-attain ng financial stability this year because of this card din, nourishment and pleasure. Also this card po, the Chariot, and this card po, the Magician. I see na maaring may new changes for you and kayo ay may power to take over your life and to make changes and kailangan or kayo ay makaka-attain ng inyong success this year. So this card, you can do anything, take charge of your life. You can manifest what you need to be successful. So yun po, magiging successful kayo and more ang flow ng money papunta sa inyo ay mas madali and mas mabilis this year of 2021 compared sa nakaraang years. Also, this card po, ito po ay nagsisimbolize ng success and ng money or financial success. Serendipity, maaring for some ay maging biglaan ito and biglaan na success and biglaan na financial stability. Ang kailangan po ay trust sa inyong sarili and sa universe. So this card. Also this card po, your desired outcome will occur in the very near future. Have patience and faith and don't try to force it to happen. So yun po ay seen na in the past kayo ay nahirapan in terms of your career, also din sa love life. So this 2021 ay kailangan kayo magtiwala sa inyong sarili and sa universe na ang mga bagay na para sa inyo ay mapupunta sa inyo at the right time. For some, I see na kayo ay maaring makamit ng someone na friend or potential love interest. So this card, the tribe. Siya po ay someone na soulmate nyo and maaring ma-meet nyo siya through serendipity or hindi sinasadya or feeling nyo hindi sinasadya but it's meant to be and kayo ay ma-amaze dahil ito ay parang tinadhana talaga pero parang surprise for you and ito ay hindi nyo expected. In terms of love life din po ay seen na kayo ay someone na nasaktan ng inyong partner or ng inyong past partner. So this card, free yourself and forgiving and learning. It's time to take back control of your life. As you release and heal from the past, you experience more love in your present moments. This card po, make the effort, ay see na kayo ay someone na very mapagbigay and nag-effort talaga for your loved ones or for your partner. So this 2021 ay kailangan nyo din po mag-focus on your self and mag-set ng boundaries. So this card, boundaries. Also this card po, coping mechanisms, density, addiction, and let God in. So yun po, maaaring hindi nyo mapigilan ang inyong sarili and kayo ay very mapagbigay. So kayo ay wala na natitira for yourself. Ang kailangan ay mag-set ng boundaries. And mas maging assertive about your needs or about your wants and desires sa inyong partner or sa inyong magiging partner. So this card po, pave a new path, be the leader you wish you had. This 2021 din po kung kayo ay nasa relationship or connection na kayo lang ang lagi nag-effort ay kailangan nyo nang i-let go since this card, free yourself and forgiving and learning. So, you have to learn from your experiences and kailangan mo din mag-set ng boundaries para sa sarili mo. This 2021 po ay seen na kayo ay magte-take action and mas magiging in touch with your truth in this card. Take action, you're in touch with your truth in this situation and you need to trust your gut and lovingly assert yourself. So yun po yung pagiging assertive. And also maging in touch sa inyong katotohanan kung ano talaga nafe-feel nyo and kailangan i-prioritize nyo ang self nyo, hindi lang puro laging ibang tao. Also this card po, lifting the veil, anything unaligned must go. So kung sa tingin nyo ang taong ito or ang partner nyo or ang magiging partner nyo this 2021 ay someone na hindi aligned sa inyong buhay or hindi kayo nagkakasundo or hindi kanya pinaprioritize, ay kailangang i-let go mo and mag-focus ka on yourself or your career. This card din po, balance, ay sina this 2021 ay dapat i-balance nyo ang inyong priorities. Hindi lang puro love life or hindi lang puro career. Dapat kayo ay may balance sa inyong priorities or sa inyong different areas sa inyong life. I see po for this pile na kayo ay naka-experience na maraming challenges in the past and kayo ay strong. So this card, resilience. Kayo ay someone na sinubukan na ng panahon or ng tadhana and marami ng challenges ang na-experience nyo. So, this 2021 I see na may success in your career and maaring ang inyong inaasam na pangarap before ay makakamit nyo na because of this card. So, yun po, 9 of Summer. Wishes come true. Dreams fulfilled. A magical time of life. Ma-achieve nyo ang inyong goals or dreams in life, and this 2021 ay mas magiging successful and mas magiging madali for you ang flow of money. For this pile po, I see din na kayo ay may anak or may family na. So this card, you have a gift for working with young people and your divine purpose involves helping, teaching, or parenting children. Also, this card din po, making wise investments or planning for retirement, honoring family tradition. So, yun. I see na kayo ay may family na or para sa ibang pumili ng pile 1. And ang isa sa priority nyo ay ang inyong anak and their future. So, kailangan i-balance nyo ang inyong pagiging workaholic. So, I see na most of the people na pumili ng pile 1 ay hardworking and dedicated. So, this card po, success that comes from dedication and self-discipline. So, this 2021 kayo ay mas magiging successful and mafe-feel nyo kayo ay motivated. Remember na you have what it takes to become successful and you can do anything. Ang kailangan ay take charge of your life and have time for yourself. And i-pursue ang inyong creative passion. So this card, it is a good time to give birth to new ideas and situations in your life. I am watching over you, guiding you, and protecting you during these changes. And take action. You're in touch with your truth in this situation, and you need to trust your gut and lovingly assert yourself. So yun po, take action, and i-pursue ang inyong passions and gawin kung ano makakapagpasaya sa inyo in terms of your career or finances. So yun po for pile 1. In general, ay mas magfo-focus kayo sa inyong career and sa inyong sarili, sa inyong growth, sa inyong nourishment, and sa inyong creative passions. Kailangan ay mas maging assertive and kayo ay mafe-feel nyo na motivated kayo and mas passionate kayo in terms of your career this 2021. So, you have what it takes to become successful. And for some, kayo ay makakamit ng true friend and someone na maaring love interest. For some din po, kayo ay magkakaroon ng peace of mind and mas pipiliin nyo na hawak nyo ang inyong sariling oras. So this card, I am the angel of peace. I bring you new tranquility and a smoother road ahead. So yun po, mas pipiliin nyo ang inyong self and ang inyong peace of mind and mas may time kayo ngayong mag-rest this year of 2021. So for pile 1 po, ang na-channel kong important months or significant months sa inyong 2021 ay January, month ng January, May, and July. January, May, and July po for pile 1. So yun po ang reading for pile 1. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's now move on to pile number 2. Para po sa mga pumili ng pile 2 or labradorite, ito ang inyong reading. So I sense water, air, and earth signs from this pile. Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, and Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. What I see po for this pile ay may big changes kayo may experience this 2021 because of this card. Also this card and this card. This card po change, and this card, a happy move to a new home or place of employment is in the works. This movement will usher in positive new energy. And this card po, new life. So yun po, dahil big changes siya ay mafe-feel nyo na maaaring new life siya or parang new life or new beginning. So kayo ay mag-move or mag-experience ng new changes, mag-travel or magkakaroon ng new employment or magkakaroon ng new place of employment. And for some po, this is in terms of your love life. So this card, calling in your soulmate. So kung kayo po ay nasa relationship with unrequited love or hindi na kayo masaya, this 2021 ay may mamimit kayong someone na soulmate nyo. Someone na very loyal. So this card, loyal heart. And this card din po, the masculine. So maaring ang taong ito ay masculine or siya ay may protective energy over you. So this card, siya ay very protective and siya ay provider for you. Also, this card po, chemistry. So, maaaring pag nakilala nyo siya or first time nyo siyang ma-meet ay may chemistry agad and may attraction. This year of 2021 po ay kailangan nyo mag-make ng decisions regarding your love life and your career. So, may changes in this card, portal. Doors are opening. You decide. Rewards and wild card. So, yun po. Depende sa inyo. Pero maraming portals or doors opening for you in terms of your love life and your career or finances. This 2021 po ay may movement, also this card. To make your decision, ask yourself, which way brings me closer to my divine purpose? Which way takes me away from it? So yun po. May decisions and kailangan yung harapin ang changes sa inyong buhay this 2021. Pero remember po, this card, you are protected from all types of harm. The worst is now behind you. I ask you to relax and feel safe. So yun po, kayo ay protected and supported by the universe to have a new life. I see na may success din po sa inyong career, this card, milk and honey. Pero maaaring by the end of the year nyo na ma-feel ang success na ito. Kailangan nyo muna mag-hard work and mag-dedicate ng effort and time sa inyong career and sa inyong ginagawa. Or mag-establish ng momentum since kayo ay may movement or may changes. By the end of the year nyo na or near the end of the year nyo na ng 2021, mafe-feel ang success and ang rewards from your efforts. So this card po, reward yourself for all your hard work. And this card, believe in yourself. Wonderful people want to help you. So yun po yung maaring yung soulmate. Also your friends. So this year, this 2021, I see na may someone kayo na makakatulong nyo. So maaring friends or family, this card. A very successful project, a happy change in your career, a windfall of money, advice or assistance from others. So yun po, nabanggit na naman yung happy change in your career, yung change. And also po yung assistance, kayo ay may makakasama this 2021, a friend or family member or pwedeng soulmate. So this card po, breathe. I see na kayo ay dapat take it slow or kayo ay mag-take time to breathe and magpahinga para hindi kayo ma-overwhelm sa changes na mangyayari for you. And kailangan po maging thankful kayo. So this card, gratitude for your blessings, and this card po, fruition. I see na, as I've said po kanina, yung by the end of the year ang success. So this card, fruition, yung parang fruits ay later on in life mo pa ma-harvest and kailangan mo pa maghintay for some time bago mo makita ang results. This 2021 din po ay mas i-assess nyo ang inyong path or mas i-assess nyo ang inyong progress in life. So this card, spend time alone in nature, meditating about your desires and intentions. Ask the angels to help you gain a positive perspective. Also this card po, cherishing your time alone and being happily and successfully self-employed. So yun po, for some kayo ay magiging self-employed. So this card, as I've said po kanina, yung change sa home or place of employment. Kaya may time kayo to spend more time alone and spend more time at home. Yun po, for pile 1 ay may big changes this 2021. In terms of your love life and your career, ang success ay maaring ma-feel nyo, ma-fully feel nyo by the end of the year. So, kailangan nyo munang maghintay ng some time after your efforts. So, for some din po ay kayo ay makakamit ng someone na soulmate. And for some, kayo ay pipiliin yung i-end ang isang relationship or connection na may unrequited love. And na mamimit yung person ay someone na loyal and protective. And na-channel ko pong important dates or months this 2021 for pile 2 ay February, month of February, June, and October. February, June, and October. So yun po ang reading for pile 2. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's now move on to pile number 3. Para po sa mga pumili ng pile 3 or opalite, ito ang inyong reading. Para po sa mga pumili ng pile 3 or opalite, ito ang inyong reading. I sense water and air signs energy from this pile. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. So I see po for this pile na ang 2021 nyo ay magiging more about healing, renewal, and growth. So this card po, time to go. Mas pipiliin nyo ang inyong sarili, and this card, love yourself. Love yourself first. Your self-respect makes you more romantically attractive. So yun po yung mas pipiliin nyo ang self nyo and mas magpo-focus kayo sa inyong healing and sa inyong growth. Ma-realize nyo na you deserve love and you are lovable. For some kayo ay magfo-focus sa inyong study, so this card, life lessons, soul growth, study, and higher learning. So yun po, studies or education. Maaaring mag-decide kayo na mag-pursue ng degree or some education this year. Basta more on learning new things and experiencing new things. So this card, thinker, I see na kayo ay mag-a-assess ng inyong path or ng inyong current life situation this 2021. So dahil kayo ay nagfo-focus on yourself and your growth, for those who are not in a relationship ay maaaring hindi makamit ng someone new or ng love interest this year because of this card, the Void. Magpo-focus muna kayo on other areas of your life such as career and finances or studies for some. Also, this card po, no, conditions aren't favorable right now. Wait or look into other options and ask the angels to help guide and comfort you. So yun po, as I've said, yung sa love life, if you're not in a connection or relationship, ay mas pipiliin yung mag-focus sa inyong sarili and sa inyong healing and sa inyong expansion. For those naman po na nasa relationship or connection, ay na maaaring mag-level up ito or may mapunta sa next level of commitment. So this card, I am the angel of families. A happy change or addition is coming to your family. So I see na maaring engagement or maaring addition sa inyong family, basta level up or kung anong current love situation nyo. Maari din pong commitment or confession in terms of your love life. In general, I see na this year will be a year na hindi kayo masyadong mahihirapan or hindi kayo masyadong magkakaroon ng bad luck because of this card, the Sun. Plans that work out perfectly, amazing ideas that lead to rewards and commendations, gratitude for the blessings of life. So yun po, I see na maaring ang inyong plans and dreams and goals in life ay mag-work out perfectly and mag-work in your favor. So this card po, assessing and whale and orca elders, share your song, frequency of sound, diving deep. So yun po, as I've said kanina, yung pag-assess sa inyong life or sa inyong path, current life situation ay nangyayari this 2021. Mas magfo-focus kayo sa inyong future and i-assess nyo kung anong gusto nyong makamit or goals in life for the future. And mas magfo-focus kayo sa inyong plans regarding your family or sa inyong success in terms of your finances. For some, I see na kayo din ay breadwinner. So, ang inyong life purpose ay mag-provide for your family or for your loved one. So, this card, I am with you, giving you the courage to make life changes that will help you work on your divine life purpose. Also, this card po, I am helping you heal physical challenges in yourself and others. You are a healer like me. So, yun po yung family and life purpose and healing for you this 2021. In terms of physical challenges or life in general. Also, this card po, your emotions are healing, which enables you to open to greater love. I will help you release anger and unforgiveness from your heart and mind. Healing din po for some na maaring pinili nyo ang inyong sarili and iniwan nyo ang isang love situation or situation and connection na hindi na kayo masaya regarding your love life. So yun po, love yourself and you deserve love. And attraction, maaring kayo ay mag-focus na lang sa inyong physical or mas mag-effort kayo sa inyong physical appearance this 2021. For some din po, I see na maaring may ma-reap kayo na good karma this year because of this card. 6 of Autumn. The good you do comes back to you and an unexpected inflow of money. Yun po. So, may money or in terms of finances ay may good karma na paparating sa inyo this 2021. This card din po. When you take excellent care of yourself, everybody benefits. Give yourself a relaxing treat today such as a massage, sea salt bath, or pedicure. So, yun po yung nasabi ko kanina na focus on your physical or focus on yourself. So, this card po, hunger. Wolf Moon, I see na mas magiging assertive kayo and mas magiging expressive kung ano ang gusto nyo in life. And mas magte-take charge kayo sa inyong life this 2021. So, this card, will. Kayo ay may options and kayo ay may will regarding your life and kayo ay make ng decisions regarding sa inyong assessment sa inyong buhay. So, kayo ay mas magiging passionate and driven this year of 2021. For pile 3 po ang na-channel kong important months for this 2021 ay March, July, and October. March, July, and October. So, maaring may significant changes po sa months na yan, this 2021. So, yun po ang reading for pile 3. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's now move on to pile number 4. Para po sa mga pumili ng pile 4 or aquamarine, ito ang inyong reading. So, I sense water and air energies from this pile. Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. I see several messages po for pile 4. In general po, ito ay year of new beginnings and may mga pagdadaanan kayong experiences na for your growth and healing. So, maaari din pong new love life. So, this card, new romance is imminent, either with a newcomer or through reignited passion in your existing relationship. Be open to giving and receiving love. Yun po, new love life for those na naghahanap. And I see na this year ay mas kailangan nyo mag-effort in terms of your career or your finances. Or hindi ibibigay sa inyo ng basta-basta yung mga bagay na gusto nyo this 2021. Because of this card's for resistance and focus, so mas kailangan nyo pong focus and maaring nagre-resist ang universe sa inyo dahil ito ay for your highest good. This year din po ay mas ma-realize nyo or mas maalagaan nyo ang sarili nyo or mas gugustuhin yung alagaan ng sarili nyo, ang inyong physical appearance and ang inyong body. Maaari din po ang mga pumili ng pile 4 ay into spirituality or card reading, tarot reading because of this card. Also a healer po. So you are a spiritual teacher. You have the ability to counsel others and help them awaken their spiritual gifts and divine life mission. So yun po, maaring into spirituality and helping others. This card din po, double mission, light worker, Starseed. Serve the world by being you. So yun po, as spirituality or card reading and nag-help or tumutulong sa ibang tao as a life purpose. I see din po na this 2021 ay mas magiging busy kayo or mas, as I've said kanina, mas kailangan mag-effort because of this card. Multifaceted, let yourself be seen. So yun po, in terms of your finances and career. This can also be a year of new beginnings po. So may mga tatapusin kayo in terms of your relationship or pwedeng kayo ay maglipat ng work or employment and career. So this card, clean it up. So maaaring kayo ay maglipat or mag-change ng line of work. For those po na single or maaaring may ma-meet this 2021, I see na ito ay magiging biglaan or mamimit nyo ang taong ito sa unexpected place. So this card, falling in love or making a serious commitment to someone. Mafe-feel nyo na parang mabilis yung process and talagang yung facing ng inyong relationship or connection ay mabilis compared sa iba or sa dati. So for those naman na may past, I see maaaring may reconciliation this 2021 because of this card. Forgiveness and the resolution of a problem. Don't give up. Your relationship can be healed. Yun po, maaaring magkipag-reconcile ang inyong past or ang taong ito, pero mas pipiliin nyo na mag-move on and mag-let go. So this card, let go of people or things that no longer serve you. Now is the time to focus on your career and married or divorced individual. So yun po, pipiliin nyo ang sarili nyo and mag-focus on yourself and healing. So this card, mending and clean it up and tatapusin nyo na ang connection or relationship na ito since you've experienced past pains during this relationship. Also this card po, life experience. Let go of belief systems that no longer work for you. An important life-changing event, a situation that leads to significant opportunities. So yun po, I see na pag nag-let go kayo sa taong ito ay may opportunities na dadating sa inyo. So yun po, I see na pag nag-let go kayo sa taong ito ay magli-lead to new opportunities or new love interest or love potential in the future. So pag kayo ay nag-decide na mag-let go ay mas maraming doors ang mag-open for you and mas makukuha nyo ang love and career or finances na meant for you. This card po, it is safe for you to be powerful. You know how to be powerful in a loving way. And this card po, surrender to the sweetness, Venus energy, pleasure, joy, make love to life. So I see na kahit may challenges or changes and new beginnings kayong ma-experience this 2021 ay mas may enjoy nyo tong year na ito compared sa previous years. So this card, Cosmic Ancestor, seed the light by staying grounded. I see na kailangan nyo din maging or magstay grounded and kailangan or makakatulong ang meditation and ang inyong pag-rest and relax para sa inyong growth and healing this 2021. This card po, Purity, I see din na kailangan nyo mag-detox ng inyong energies and mag-workout or mag-unwind and maglakad-lakad outside nature para mas maging attuned ang inyong energies and mas wala ang negative energy sa inyong katawan. So yun po, for pile 4, I see na this 2021 ay may new beginnings and maaring ma-feel nyo na ang universe ay nagre-resist sa inyo or ang goals nyo ay hindi nangyayari according to plan. That is because ang universe ay pinupunta kayo sa or ini-steer kayo sa right direction or direction for your highest good. So kailangan nyo nang mag-surrender or mag-let go. And mas kailangan nyo ng focus and ng effort this 2021, especially in terms of your finances and career. For some, I see na may mamimit na new person. So, this card, it is safe for you to love. And new romance is imminent. So, yun po. And mas ma-realize nyo this 2021 ang inyong self-worth and mas magfo-focus kayo sa inyong body and sa inyong physical appearance. For some na pumili ng pile 4, I see na children ay important factor sa inyong buhay. So, maaring kayo ay may family or ang children ay isa sa inyong priorities. I see din po na by the end of 2021 or near the end of 2021 ay mas may enjoy nyo ang inyong taon and mas mafe-feel nyo na mas mabilis na ang good luck for you and mas fini-favor na kayo ng universe. So, after some challenges throughout the year, so yun po. Let's move on sa important months this 2021. Ang mga na-channel ko po for pile 4 ay March, July, and October. March, July, and October for pile 4. So yun po ang reading for pile 4. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's now move on to pile number 5. Para po sa mga pumili ng pile 5 or amethyst, ito ang inyong reading. So I sense earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and air signs, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. In general po, I see na for this pile ay marami kayong realizations and mas marami kayong may experience na transformative na mga bagay this year of 2021. So, by the end of the year, ay ma-realize nyo na kayo ay parang new person na because of what you've experienced. So, this card, realization, and this card, cracked open, rock bottom, surrender to the alchemy of life. So, yun po. I see na 2021 will be a transformative year for you. Sa image po din sa cards na ito ay parang door and kayo ay nag-enter sa door na ito dahil ito ay new or parang transition to a new life, a life na meant para sa inyo. So, there are new experiences and triggering experiences for you this year, pero ito ay for your highest good and ma-realize nyo na ito ay for a change and for your growth and expansion. And because of this experiences din po ay mafe-feel nyo na maaaring parang mahirap mag-attain ng peace of mind, or kayo ay mahirap mag-relax because of what's happening around you. Ang message ay release and mag-trust na ang mga nangyari ay for you and not against you. In terms of love life naman po, I see na kayo ay naka-experience ng cheating or ng deception in the past. So this card, deception. Someone is wearing a false self-mask in this relationship, and pay attention to the red flags. So yun po, I see na kayo ay naka-experience ng mga painful experience regarding your relationship or connection in the past. Pero ang message po ay give your relationship a chance and keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectations, and work on your partnership. Maaari din pong hindi kayo nagkakasundo ng taong ito. So this card, religious factors. Kayo, ang beliefs nyo ay hindi tugma sa isa't isa or hindi nagmamatch. So, kayo ay laging may arguments, and as I've said kanina ay maaaring may cheating or painful experiences in the past, and may red flags. And hindi nyo po alam kung saan kayo pupunta currently. This card po, you are confused and indecisive because you do not have enough information. Do research or seek expert advice before making a decision. I see po na ang path or ang answer sa inyong question ay realize nyo in the future. So this card, realization, and ibibigay sa inyo ng universe ang mga sagot na kailangan nyo. This can also be in terms of your career. So hindi nyo alam kung saan kayo pupunta, and kung anong path ang tatahakin nyo in terms of your career and finances. So I see din na may answers na paparating sa inyo. Because of this card din, message in a bottle and shop wood. Come to the edge here and now. So I see na this is not the first time na kayo ay na-confuse or hindi nyo alam yung path na pupuntahan nyo in terms of your career and your love life. So this can also be about sa past partner, and maaring for some kayo ay may family with this person. So this card, a message po ay stay optimistic about your love life. And this card, an emotionally fulfilling life with family or friends, raising children wisely, people you can trust. So I see na ang taong ito ay maaring nag-effort din sa kanyang self and sa kanyang growth as a person for you and for your family. So you have to look at the situation po and assess kung ang taong ito ay worthy pa ng second chance. For some naman po, I see na kayo ay kailangan mag-pursue ng inyong passion and ng inyong hobbies or ng inyong projects or passion projects this year of 2021 dahil ito ay magiging successful for you. So this card po, it's time to take action, be fearless and happily pursue your most treasured dreams, amazing career opportunities. Also this card po, happy news about your career promotions or scholarships, well thought out plans that go perfectly. Needing a little push to get going. So yun po, I see na mas magiging successful kayo sa inyong career or sa inyong projects if kayo ay take the leap of faith and kayo ay nag-focus sa inyong passions. Also this card po, come to the edge. So kayo ay kailangan mag-risk and mag-take action and mag-take a leap of faith in terms of your career. So this card, Chapwood, symbolizes your career and your finances. Also this card po, cracked open, rock bottom, surrender to the alchemy of life. So yun po, surrender and release this card. And also this cards po, I am the angel of abundance, You will receive the money that you need, and God is in charge of how that will happen. Have faith. So yun po, abundance and success for you in terms of career and in love life na din po. Also this card. Victory, your desire is coming to fruition. Keep up the good work.